turwa senchira wikaranto buskabosyo mwancho morigeria maiga yaba bwatani kurwase linda mwananchi gosagano amana abantu batamanyire ase chinsemo chia kyomburi tukori goro chinga kibabwate tare abo meyorongorwa GUSII tukori rero niga babwatani kurwase obomobu ensemo y'ABASAE bakoragwo no morikyobo omonene Freedom Duso niko besokire na korage kiara bokongwega kore ikyo bosoku na bego Kogikerigwa okwana chinga kecho nigo baereire buna montonde bwensi kurwase chinsemo au na no posibole bokora siasa chinsemo chia GUSII borigo kwene kyangwe tanga bare kurwase gutumikwa bobe na siasa iliyo korenta CHIBURURABURU.
Jana tuliweza kutamaushwa sana kwa kwamba tulikuwa tumekisi Keroka ili kufanikisha msafara wetu wa linda mwananchi. Tulipofika pale Keumbu, vita vurugu kaanza pale Keumbu, vijana wetu wakaanza kupigana pale ambao walikuwa mobilized from other leaders ambao wako kwenye viti na wengine ambao hawako kwenye viti. Tunasema hivi, vijana wetu tuache kutumiwa vibaya na hawa wanasiasa. Hawa wanasiasa ni watu ambao wanakula mishahara zao, wako na familia zao. Mbona wasilete watoto wao hapa katika vita waanze kuumizwa? Vijana wetu tuchukue kura, tupange 2027 tubadilishe hii serikali yetu ambayo iko na shida nyingi sana. Hatutaki tuendelee kutumia vibaya na nyinyi wanasiasa ambao mnatumia hawa vijana wetu. Mbona tunatumika vibaya hivi?
I want to say this. Even as you throw stones, and this is a very strong and stern warning to the people out there that think that they can disrupt democracy by threatening, intimidation, and the act of violence. I want you to remember that stones cannot silence democracy. Stones cannot silence the people. I want to apologize to our leaders and the principals that were in Kisii County and Nyamira County yesterday for that coordinated attack by guns that was sponsored by sponsors of violence and political dimwits who found it fit to attack a convoy and the people. To make matters worse, there were women, there were children in the vicinity, and that was not representative of the GUSII regional politics. Omo GUSII tali omuntu bweburaburu. Omo GUSII tali omuntu okorwana na goitera manyinga mu muromo abo. Igeke nege koneke nene totete ko call out to Mwanyagiting Heritage Council abagaka bari bateni negali bagotobekera chinyigekero cy'omo GUSII etogo sababa chamo nande bakanie community bakurere gente ke kyabeta ali Keumbu gosenaki